Welcome to the exciting world of AI magic, where I'll show you how to make lots of money with home renovations. Get ready for a magical journey. Imagine having a special power called AI magic. It helps us renovate people's homes in the best and fastest way possible. Let's see how AI magic can make your own renovation business shine with success. AI magic makes everything easy and efficient. It helps us plan and schedule home renovation projects automatically. This means fewer mistakes and happier customers. Designing homes is like creating a beautiful artwork. With AI magic, we can make homes look even more amazing. It creates 3D models that show what a renovated space will look like. This helps people see their dreams come true before the renovation even starts. Money, money, money. AI magic helps us make more money by keeping renovation costs under control. It estimates costs accurately and helps us manage our budgets wisely, finding smart ways to save money and increase profits. To be the best, we need to be smarter than our competition. AI magic gives us that power. It helps us understand what people want and find amazing opportunities. We can use AI magic to offer services that sparkle and shine. Data is like a hidden treasure, and AI magic helps us unlock its secrets. We can use data to understand our customers better and make them feel special. AI magic can analyze the information and create special messages just for them. In today's digital world, being online is super important. AI magic helps us build a strong online presence. We can use special AI-powered strategies to reach more people and show them what we can do. AI magic can even help us answer questions quickly with chatbots, making it easy for people to connect with us. So, get ready to bring the power of AI magic to your home renovation business. With AI magic, you'll make more money, create amazing designs, control costs, stay ahead of the competition, use the power of data, and build a strong online presence. Let's unlock the magic and make your business shine and succeed like never before.